Well, we've made it.
Woo!
Where are we?
Glacier National Park. Woo!
Yeah, it's crazy to be back. I'm here pretty much 1 year on the date, so I get to share with Christina, so we're excited. Gonna do the most basic hike today just because we just got here after driving 4 hours from Spokane, Avalanche Lake, but it's always pretty. Get this little taste of it, and we're probably still gonna go bike up to the loop later today, so should be a good time.
Yay.
So we made it to Avalanche Lake. Absolutely gorgeous here as always. A lot more water running and a lot more snow than last year, as you can see, but awesome. A muddy water bottle and some wet shoes. What happened?
I didn't fall.
Oh, she did not fall. Repeat, she did not fall. So we just finished Avalanche hike, about 5 miles. It was pretty cool. A little wet and rainy, but nothing's gonna stop us. We have the bikes now.
Woo!
We're gonna go bike up to the loop, we think, unless it takes too long, but it's a little late. It's around like 5:30, so we'll see, but we're gonna have a good time.
Ow. I'm snacking.
Snacky snack. So it's coming down. Decided to turn around. We're gonna go all the way up to the loop tomorrow anyway, so got a little
Back to camp.
rain, rain, go away.
Come again on Tuesday
Yeah,
when we leave.
because we'll be gone. Hey, bear.
Hey bear. Hey bear.
Okay. Oh, well, he's back. We just came within 100 feet of a giant, we think it's a grizzly bear.
I don't know.
It's a big boy.
It's a big bear.
He's right there on the side of the road. I'll probably try to zoom in. He's like right over here. Yeah, we've been stuck here for about 15 minutes now, so no other bikers come, but yeah, we're not.
He's just really enjoying himself on the side of the road here.
Yeah, it looks like he's probably eating a bunch of berries, so we're just gonna let him chill, but yeah. So no, I'm gonna say we'll be safe. I was gonna do some sort of corpse joke, but oh my gosh, look at him.
Oh my gosh, look at how big he is. Holy heckin' God.
Well, that was fun. Bear wear, so had a little nice bike ride. We're very wet, so
Very damn.
gonna go get dried off, and then we'll come back tomorrow and go all the way. Well, we made it to our campsite, and I didn't know Montana was the Pacific Northwest because it is raining really hard, and it's not supposed to stop the whole time we're here for the next 3 days. So that kind of stinks, but we got lasagna, and I'm making mine, which I think I have some risotto. So get some food and get warm and see where we go. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, after a repeated of put an item down in the van, lose it, find it again, lose another thing, look for it for another 10 minutes, we're finally ready to go bike the road.
Woo.
So we're gonna go up to the loop and we'll see where we go from there. Possibly want to go hike up to near the High Line, so we'll give that a try.
We shall see.
Gonna have a great day. So
Like imagine how much snow is there.
Feet, like 20 feet.
You can't see much. Oh my god, that's huge!
Henry has nothing on that. Well, end of the road for us. This is where the bikes stop and the hiking begins. So.
Oh man. What's he gonna do? They all have little notes.
They're three brothers. Oh, we're going to a cloud. Well, we have reached the snowy part. It's gonna be snow up here for a long time. Well, we carried our ice axes all the way for a reason, so I'm gonna show her how to do some little glissading 101 here. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
My bestie.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Ice axe stink. Trees! Self-arrest. Yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, that's some glacier water. Base.
Made it.
Well, it's another wet day here in Glacier National Park. We're gonna go up to this Berry Glacier, so getting excited today. Kind of waited out the rain a little bit, but we're gonna get going. You ready? Have you seen a place with more waterfalls?
I don't think so. I think this is more than I've ever seen anywhere.
There's one there. There's a giant one there. There's a giant one there. And there's one right there too. And then there's one right there too. There's everywhere. Well, now we made it to the ferry chalet.
Wow.
It's completely white out up here, but it's still really cool. Just wish we had some really mountain views, but instead we have whiteness.
Yep.
And base.
Made it. Oh.
What was it?
What?
What was it?
Mine says 12.5.
Mine says 13. So she apparently walked half a less mile than me.
Somehow, even though we were side by side the whole time.
Yeah.